Hello everyone, today is our last topic of trigonometry, that is trigonometric identities. We will do trigonometric identities. Let us prove these identities. We are having three trigonometric identities. Let us prove those. Consider a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B. Right angle triangle जिसमें से कि B पे right angle होगा. So using Pythagoras, what you get? Using Pythagoras, theorem, you get AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is right angle at B. That means AC square hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Let us take this angle C. Okay. Now divide equation by AC square. If we divide equation by AC square, what we get? AC square upon AC square, AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square. This cancels out, gives us 1. AB upon AC. What is AB upon AC? In trigonometric ratio. And BC upon AC in trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratios पढ़ी है आपने, क्या पढ़ा है? अगर आप ये triangle लेते हो C, if you take angle C, then this is base and this is perpendicular. So if you calculate sin C, what you get? You get AB upon AC, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. If you calculate cos C, what you get? BC upon AC, that is base upon hypotenuse. Is it so? And if you calculate tan C, that is perpendicular upon base, that is AB upon BC. These are trigonometric ratios. So for this, if AB upon AC is sin C. So we get here sin C square plus BC upon AC is cos C square. So from here we get the identity, that is sin square C plus cos square C is equal to 1. This is the first trigonometric identity. Or if you take angle A, then you will get sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This is identity. कोई भी angle रखो, sin square that angle plus cos square that angle gives you 1. So no matter what angle you take, अभी हमने sin C लेकर प्रूव करा है. अगर आप sin A angle लोगे, then identity will remain the same. Similarly, taking this equation, name this as 1. Divide this whole equation by AB square. If we divide this by AB square, what you get? AC upon AB whole square is equal to 1 plus BC upon AB whole square. Okay. What is AC upon AB? AC upon AB gives you, AC upon AB will give you cosecant C. Is it so? So AC upon AB will give you cosecant C square equal to 1 plus BC upon AB will give you cot. So cot C is BC upon AB. So here we get cot C square. So the identity is cosecant square C is equal to 1 plus cot square C. This is your second identity. Third identity is if you divide by BC square, what you get? AC square upon BC square is equal to AB square upon BC square plus BC square upon BC square. Okay. AC upon BC whole square is equal to AB upon BC whole square plus 1. What is AC upon BC? AC upon BC gives you secant C whole square equal to AB upon BC. AB upon BC will give you tan C plus 1. So we get third identity, secant square c equal to 1 plus tan square c. So these are three identities of trigonometry which are very important. That is, first one is sin square c plus cos square c is equal to 1. Cosecant square c is equal to 1 plus cot square c, and secant square c is equal to 1 plus tan square c. Now we will do some questions to see how these identities are used in your questions. Let us discuss these questions. Now you have learned three trigonometric identities. That is, first trigonometric identity you have learned is sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Cosecant square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a, and secant square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. These are three trigonometric identities. Okay, so let us try this question. You have to evaluate the value of sin square 63 degree. You don't know the value of 63 degree from your table. So what you will do here is you will use complementary angles formula. So how you will use that, sin square 63 degree plus, you can change 63 degree into 27 degree or 27 degree into 63 degree. So sin square 63 degree plus sin square 90 minus 63 degree. We can write 27 as 90 minus 63. Denominator cos square 17 degree plus cos square 90 minus 17 degree. 90 minus 17 degree gives you cos square 73 degree. 90 minus 17 gives you 73. So you have learned these formulas, complementary angle, that cos A is equal to sine of 90 minus A. So you can use this here, that is sine square 63 degree plus, what is sine of 90 minus 63 degree, whole square, upon cos square 17 degree plus cos 90 minus 17 degree whole square. So sine square 63 degree, sine 90 minus a, sine 90 minus a gives you cos a. So here gives you cos, what is a here, 63 degree, and square comes here. Similarly in denominator, cos square a 17 degree plus cos 90 minus 17. Cos 90 minus a gives you sin a. A is 17 degree and square will come. So you are with trigonometric identity that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. जो एंगल यहाँ पर होता है a, वही यहाँ पर होना चाहिए, दोनों एंगल सेम होने चाहिए. Then sin square a plus cos square a gives you 1. So here you are with sin square 63 degree plus cos square 63 degree. Angle a is same. So here you can put 1, and upon sin cos square 7 degree and sin square gives you 1. Upon 1 gives you 1. So in this way you have to evaluate the answer. Okay. Now second question. You have to prove this. Prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So you will take left hand side, that is cosecant theta minus cot theta. What is cosecant theta? Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sin theta. And what is cot theta? Cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. So you will put these values in this. That cosecant theta is 1 upon sin theta and cos theta upon sin theta whole square. So taking LCM, what you get is sin theta 1 minus cos theta whole square. जो आपको राइट हैंड साइड में चाहिए 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा, वो दिख रहा है थोड़ा. तो जो आपने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे बनाना होता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप स्टेप्स करते हो. ठीक है. 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा whole square upon sin square theta. We have separated squares. So what is sin square theta from here? Sin square theta from here is 1 minus cos square theta. So put the value here. 1 minus cos theta whole square gives you 1 minus cos square theta by trigonometric identity, that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And this is, you know, cosecant theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Okay, and similarly cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. That is why. And what is a minus b whole square? Leave it like this. What is a minus b? A square minus b square gives you a minus b into a plus b. So in your denominator you are with 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. A square minus b square. A here is 1 square. 1 square minus cos square theta gives you a minus b a plus b. So using this you get this. 1 minus cos square theta cancels. What you are with? 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. This is your right hand side. And this way you have to prove the trigonometric questions. These types of questions come that proves that right hand side is equal to left hand side. So you have to do according to the question that what you want on the other side. Okay.